What's up, y'all?
What's up?
What's up, guys? Welcome to a new video. I don't know after how long I'm shooting. I don't even know if this is going to be uploaded. What happened?
Thinking, should I go by the side or what?
Yeah. Our man, old friend of mine,
Okay.
is back. We're gonna train together. We're gonna train in a new gym today. We're gonna train in SPL Fitness, which is in Kalyan Nagar, obviously. I'm training there because the gym which I go to usually, Fit Squad, is not open today, and even I think his gym isn't open today, so we're going here. We're training after a long time, right?
Together we're training, I guess, after like what, 3-4 months?
Yeah. Together we're training after a very long time. So we decided to hit pull, obviously, because pump, obviously, and then we'll flex back like normal cliche how we always do. And you know the shit. We'll do that, and अभी हम जा रहे हैं. Sorry, no Hindi, only English. हम जा रहे हैं. We're going to SPL Fitness. I'm going to do that. You know the usual thing which these TikTokers and all do. Sit in their car and dry scoop pre-workout. He has some glutamine, some bullshit. I'm just gonna do that. See the pump.
It's L-arginine, citrulline malate, and nitric oxide.
Nitric
Both are
oxide.
the same, no?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, something. I want the pump, that's it.
Yeah, I don't know what it is. We're gonna use it. Let's see how it goes. I actually don't know about these supplements. I'm gonna use it for the first time. Let's see how it goes. I will see you guys when we're dry scooping it. And these are supposed to be taken not right before your workout. Take it about half an hour before.
Yeah.
Take it about half an hour before, because he's taken it half an hour before at home and he's already feeling that rush. So now I'll go half an hour. It'll take at least to warm up, stretch, mobility and all that. Then it'll start having that effect. Don't just take it before the workout and complain or whatever. So take it half an hour before. Anyways, here's to a good pump today with no sleep. Yeah, by the way, I'm on 4 hours of sleep. My coach is going to be very unhappy with me, but it is what it is. This is L-arginine.
Cheers. Also, it's
Sexy,
sex on the
bro.
beach.
Yeah, the flavor is sexy. Usually pre-workouts are either too rich in taste, because you had Psychotic, right?
Yeah, that's
and Psychotic was too very strong. You couldn't, and I couldn't sleep after that. I think after my deadlift PR of 170, I had that and I was gone. I couldn't sleep. Man, I saw nightmares, man. So yeah. Anyways, this is citrulline. Right, let's go. Half scoop.
Yeah, exactly half.
Is that half? Is that half? Comment down below. I don't know. One last. I know you're annoyed watching it for 1 minute 36 seconds, but this video is going to be amazing. I'm back to vlogging after a long time. And also, I hope all of you had a good Diwali and a prosperous one, yet a safe one. Man, people in Bangalore going crazy, bursting crackers. I almost died. मेरे को लगा मेरे गांड फटने वाली है. Now I'm going to take, I got confused. Now I'm going to take beta alanine, the green color. I don't know. Let's go. Half scoop. All of this looks like Himalayan pink salt for some reason, man. No? What the fuck? Okay, anyways, let's go. Cheers. Tribute to How much, bro? Am I hot enough? Today's workout is going to be pull. We're going to do pull hypertrophy based. He's also going to follow my workout. I am training today because I missed out on a Tuesday and I have deadlifts tomorrow. So I'm going to do pull hypertrophy today and pull strength tomorrow. So my split is basically push pull legs, break push pull legs. 3 strength days, 3 hypertrophy days. So today we're going to do pull hypertrophy. gym is pretty sorted. I warmed up. I walked on the treadmill for 5 minutes. Gym is pretty sorted. It's like an everyday gym. It's not very fancy. It's good to get the work done. You just want a quick workout, obviously. So yeah, like I showed you the gym. It's not very big. It's normal. So right now we're just gonna do some mobility, some stretching, and yeah, probably get to work after that. I will explain you my workout and what my coach has given me, of course. I will introduce my coach in a later video, not now. But yeah, today I have pull hypertrophy. I have about 4 exercises for back and 2 exercises for my bicep.
So you wanna go to war with me? You're talking like you think you're royalty. You think that I'm afraid, but I don't break. I heard you question my stability. You think I'll fall just like a guillotine, but I am here to stay. Won't look away. The storm is coming, so you better start running. No, you can't control, feel it in my bones. I'm coming for the, coming for the. Coming for the throne.
Just got done doing lat pull downs. I'm feeling pretty lethargic, not able to get it done. I got 4 walking sets for 10 to 12 reps. Last one I got only 6 reps. Now we're gonna move on to, usually I would do chest supported rows, but today there's no chest supported row machine. So I'm gonna do T-bar rows or the seated these rows. That's what we're gonna do now. Again, same procedure. 1 warm-up set, 4 main sets. Let's get it.
You should've known I'd never kiss the rain. Ice runs in my veins. Won't play it safe. I don't belong with your nobility. Who died and made you king of anything? You think that I'm insane? It's your mistake. Kingdoms rise and fall. I've come to take it all. I'll take it. I've come to take it. Kingdoms rise and fall. I've come to take it all. I'll take it all. Storm is coming, so you better start running. No, you can't control, feel it in my bones. I'm coming for the, coming for the. For the throne. Coming for the throne.
What's up guys, so we just finished our workout, it's 10 o'clock, all thanks to him. That's Adnan Mansoor from SPL Fitness. Come here for your training, anything, he'll give you good offers on cult. Sure bro, do it? He'll give it to you all. Okay, sweet guy, sweet friend of mine, know him from the last 4 years. So yeah, you can come here anytime, talk to him, I'll put his Instagram in the bio. Thank you Adnan. See you soon. कैसे हो भाई? ब्लॉग कर रहा हूँ मैं. Come here for the best tea. आपका नाम क्या है? Sajid. Sajid makes the best tea at SPL. You can't see it, but I'll show you. Yeah, SPL gym below this. He makes the best tea ever, and he is one of my subscribers. आप subscribed हो ना भाई? हाँ. Very good. What is up guys, it's currently 1 o'clock almost. I came back home, I had my dinner, I freshened up, did all that. Now I'm sitting to study. I have my exams in 20 days, and that too, these exams are offline. So yeah, many of you might be wondering why I'm like the shadow. I come, post a lot of content, and then suddenly disappear and stuff like that, right? I just wanted to share a few things. Like, I don't do it on purpose, or it's not that just because I get a little overwhelmed or something like that. It's nothing like that. I like to make content, and I have been wanting to vlog for the longest period of time. It's been 2 months, it's exactly 2 months since I vlogged. I vlogged last on September 5th or September 3rd, somewhere like that. I posted on September 5th. I think, I don't remember, and today is November 6th. So yeah, sometimes you're lacking motivation, sometimes you're lacking that discipline. Alright, motivation is nothing. Motivation is, you might be motivated one day, next day you won't be motivated, but discipline gets you places, right? So I'm accepting it. I didn't have the discipline to do it, and sometimes all of us, we fall apart and this thing happens. These things happen, right? Like I always say. So it's all right for that to happen, unless and until you know that these things are happening with you and you know where your fault is. It's fine. Okay, get back on track. It's never too late. No matter how much time passes, time will come back to you. But be aware of your surroundings. Know what is happening with you and stuff like that. Okay, I'm not any philosopher or counselor or anything. These things are experiences, what I have dealt with. So I am sharing it with friends, viewers, family, whoever. So stuff like these, right? So I want to put out content more regularly. You know, stuff happens. You cannot at times. So that's no excuse, obviously. But yeah, I mean, if I want to get into this, if I want to be a content creator, YouTuber, so and so, I'll have to make time, and that will become part of my life as in when I have the discipline, get that sort of discipline to edit videos, to vlog more regularly and stuff, which is going to come. Anyways, that was it for today. Enjoy life, be happy, stay safe, do good things, never forget in doing good, being good. Yeah, stuff like these, man. Smile during, even if you're having a bad day, make someone else have a good day. If you're capable to do that, just smile at someone. Anything, bro, anything can change a day. Be nice to someone be nice to your maid, or people who are less privileged, stuff like that, man. Hopefully wish to see you all soon. So no worries, a lot more coming. Be happy, stay safe. I will see you all really soon. Hope you enjoy the video.